Hey, this is Jay of DeFi Journey. Just going to try to do a quick market update today. So I like to try to do these more often now that the market's really popping off and the excitement's building. But I just want to just dive in real quick just to see what we're see what's going on with Bitcoin and everything. So this is just a daily view, and so kind of this wedge drew earlier that started back in March of last year, broke up above this range, and we're setting in new highs. Everyone's calling for 100K, which not financial advice. I expect to happen at some point, but we won't know until it happens, right? But if we look at just like Forex Factory, you see that today was CPI, and so CPI came in right at expectations. And so whenever that happens, that's usually really bullish for markets, especially crypto. But then we see tomorrow we also got PPI, which same thing is pretty, not quite as influential as CPI, but still can have quite a big impact too. And so we'll see based on that what should land us for tomorrow. But if we take more of like the weekly view, you can see. If you look at, I did the Fibonacci extensions all the way back in March when this happened, and I did expect us to reach this level earlier, but if you see it's at the 1.6 extension, and usually when that happens, that is like a target, but it might take a little bit longer to break through. I think it will happen, but it might just not be tomorrow, but who knows. One thing for sure is the momentum is to the upside. So we'll see on that. And there's a few other things just based on like alt pairing. So ETH, same thing too, still lagging a little bit behind. And ETH Bitcoin is actually putting in near the lows for the past couple years. And then also with Atom, I think we're still consolidating. I still think this is a good buy zone, but and on Bitcoin it's near the all-time lows. One that I do like right now, let's try to like just give some more ones on projects and alts that I like, is Passage, I believe. Passage is below a penny right now, but it's set in this bottom here. And I think that's a really good buy zone. So this is a daily. So I like this one. This is a Cosmos chain. And then also another one we can see is actually Stride. Stride, similar thing, put in like this double bottom here. It was all the way back. It was $6-7 back earlier in the year. And now we're around 60 cents. I think this is a good buy. Also Lavana, I don't know, like you can check, I'll put a link for the video, but I have a Lavana tutorial as well. But this one is also kind of set in a little bit lower bottom here. It's down to a penny. But I really like the platform, like the tokenomics. Now for a while there was no utility for the token. Now there's utility for the token on the platform, and I believe this is a good buy as well. Could be do promising. Good old, like, it's a penny. A lot of upside there. So, and then another one I do like as well is Axelar. Axelar, knows like more of a bridge within Cosmos, not IBC, but a lot of still use case for that as well. Still not even close to the highs before, but and I think got one more, AKT. This one very bullish on. And it's the same thing here. We're getting above this moving average here, and usually when that happens, you see we go all the way back here. We got to go back to 23. Once you get above that moving average, usually it'll consolidate here and we move up. But that was the last time we were above it. It's been a while, so and I just want to make this quick, and we can even look at just at normal stocks too, like with the dollar. And all this is going on with while the dollar is surging, DXY. So if we do get a pullback in the dollar, we'll probably even go up even more. It's hard to not be euphoric or reach like pandemonium of like how high can we go. But I always like to say just dollar cost average, but it is looking pretty good that for the market in the near future. So, but yeah, still before one last thing, like to look at is just so like with inflation is oil prices. So oil is still like putting in lows. As long as that looks lower, this could be maybe sort of a rebound here, but that is also another positive thing for like inflation, the Fed to continue to lower rates, and then equities, risk assets to continue to go up. So but yeah, thanks for checking us out. Let me know if you like these live streams, these quick little market updates. I'd like to get some more content out there. I got a couple hopefully released this week. But yeah,